On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers made what was recognized as the first flight in the history of an engine-driven device, a flight that lasted only 12 seconds and covered 36.5 meters. From that moment on, a marathon race began to perfect the instruments that over time improved the distances and times of flight to the point that it became a mass transportation system. However, along with the overcrowding also came the air accidents, which have been happening by hundreds. Even so, and perhaps contrary to what we might think, the airplane is the safest transportation system in the world to such an extent that those who board the plane with some kind of fear of an eventual accident should be much more afraid when boarding a car. The reason is that the chance of dying in a car is 1 in 112, while in the case of the airplane the figure is dramatically reduced to 1 in 8,000, which is really low. Even so, and for those who would like to be sure of a lower percentage, there are revealing database and a study by Time magazine in which 17 accidents recorded between 1985 and 2000 were analyzed. According to this study, the safest zone with the rear with 32% mortality rate, followed by the front with 38% mortality rate, and ending with the middle zone with 39% rate. Of course, choosing the seats in one zone or another does not guarantee anything, but at least, according to this study, it mathematically reduces the chance of dying in the event of an accident.